Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Java video. Today we're going to take a look at the top 5 best Fabric HUD mods for Minecraft Java Edition. I am on the latest release of Minecraft, which is version 1.18.1, and these HUD mods on Fabric are basically going to enhance your HUD experience and change the way your default Minecraft HUD looks. So for those of you who are looking to change up your game and play with something interesting and something that will give us more features for our Minecraft's HUD, then I would recommend that you guys check out these top 5 best Fabric HUD mods on 1.18.1. So let's go ahead and take a look at the top 5 best Fabric HUD mods on Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.1. Alright, so the first HUD mod for Fabric on 1.18.1 I would recommend that you guys definitely check out is called Cron HUD. This adds a lot of things for our HUD, which is really useful, especially if you guys are into PvP or you guys like having information displayed on your screen while you are playing. So let me just go into the game and quickly show you guys. So as you guys can see on this section over here, we do have a keystroke mod included with the Cron HUD. So for those of you who are looking for keystrokes mod on Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.1, then definitely get the Cron HUD mod, because this actually comes with a keystrokes mod already included. It also tells us the CPS as well, so when you click, it tells you how fast you are clicking. It also tells you your FPS, your ping rate, your coordinates, and your armor as well. If I press the right shift key on my keyboard, I can go ahead and have a look at all of the widgets that are available with this mod. So as you guys can see, we also have a boss bar, and this bit over here is the scoreboard. So if you guys are into PvP like Hypixel for example, then when you enter the Hypixel server, you will see a scoreboard wherever you place this block. And the good thing is that you can actually go ahead and move all of these widgets around, and they do actually snap into place. You can actually turn off snapping as well, so you can actually place them wherever you want. But I think having the snapping on option is much easier, because you can just place it in a neat way and not have to worry about it looking really messy. When you first do install the mod, all of these widgets will be turned off, so you will have to go into the configuration screen over here and click on enable for all of these mods. You can also configure all of these different widgets by right clicking on them and then choosing the desired options for them. You can also go ahead and change the scale. So let's go ahead and change the scale for the keystrokes mod over here. So let me go ahead and click into the bit that says scale, and let me click on this icon over here. And as you guys can see, I can now actually make it bigger or even smaller. So let's have a look at how that looks. And as you guys can see, the keystrokes widget now is looking much bigger. I can actually go ahead and right click into this and change some more options over here. So I can actually change the held text color, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and change the text color to something else, and this should actually make it blue. And now when I go back into my game, when I actually hold a key, you guys can see that it has actually changed the color of the keys I am pressing as well. And if you just press the right shift key on your keyboard, and you can obviously move these around. So I would highly recommend that you guys definitely check out the Cron HUD mod. It's a really nice HUD mod for your Minecraft Java game. It has tons of features in it. It has the most important mod, which is the keystrokes mod, which we've all been looking for. And I know some of you have asked me about this in the comment section before. So if you guys are looking for the keystrokes mod, I would recommend you get the Cron HUD mod as well. In terms of all of the items it does give us, tells us the armor, it gives us the item update. So when you do pick up new items or you drop them, it does actually show them on your screen there. It obviously gives us the coordinates, it gives us the boss bar, which has loads of information. In PvP, for example, it actually allows us to change and configure our crosshair, so I can actually change it from a dot to a cross and back and forth as well, and change the size of that as well. It tells us the FPS on there, the ping, the keystrokes, potion effects, arrow counter, CPS, and scoreboard, as I mentioned earlier. So definitely go ahead and give the Cron HUD mod a go. It's a really cool mod, and you can really customize it however you like. It is available at the moment, so you can go ahead and download this for version 1.18.1. The next Fabric HUD mod I would recommend for version 1.18.1 is actually called HUD Tweaks. And as you guys can see, this says it adds better HUD configuration. And let me just show you guys quickly how to configure the HUD Tweaks mod. So once you are in the game and you have installed the mod, you can basically just press escape. And on the top right corner here, you will have a button that says HUD Tweaks Config. So if you just click into this, we can now actually go ahead and move our HUD items all over the place, and you can actually choose to place these wherever you like. Let me actually go back and change it into the survival mode, and let me go ahead and into the HUD Tweaks config again. And as you guys can see, I am able to move all of these particular items. I can move the XP bar as well, I can move it on top over here, and I can move the hotbar anywhere I like to, and it gives us really nice flexibility in our games. If you guys have always wondered how to move all of the HUD items, then definitely get the HUD Tweaks config mod, and this will allow you to basically change all of these items. You can obviously go into the particular menu, click on an item, and then you can actually change the offset and the scale of that item as well. So let's go ahead and change this to a much larger scale. I am actually playing in GUI scale 2, but obviously if I want my hotbar to look much bigger, I can do that. So I've got that option as well. I would definitely recommend you guys check out the HUD Tweaks mod for Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.1. The next Fabric HUD mod I would recommend is called Inventory HUD Plus. As you guys can see from the description, it says this mod will show you your inventory while playing. This is one of my other favorite mods. This mod adds a nice RPG type feeling to our game. So let me actually go into the mods menu section here, click on Inventory HUD Plus, and then click on the configure button here. And this is the configure menu for the Inventory HUD Plus. As you guys can see, we can actually turn on and off all of these different sections. If I click on the HUD positions over here, you can see that I can actually choose to see my inventory items, my armor section over here, and my potions information. For my inventory items, I can choose to have that in a vertical mode or in a horizontal mode. So let me actually go ahead and place some items into my inventory so I can just quickly show you guys how that would look. So I'm going to place these items all over the place over here, and as you guys can see on the right hand side, it is showing my inventory items but in a vertical section. So if you have a look at this bit here on the right hand side, you can see it is showing the items inside my inventory in a vertical type mode. I can obviously go ahead and change that to a horizontal position by going into the configure menu here and turning the vertical mode to false, and that will change it to a horizontal type position. If you guys are looking for a RPG type look in your game, I would recommend you get the Inventory HUD Plus mod. I do use this mod in my Dark RPG mod pack, so I would recommend that you guys also check out the Dark RPG mod pack if you already haven't done so. It's a really cool mod pack, and it does have some nice RPG type mods, and it also includes the Inventory HUD Plus mod as well. The next HUD mod I would also recommend you guys check out is called Chronos Compass Ribbon. As you guys have probably noticed, I do have a compass ribbon on the top right section here. So as you guys can see, this is a nice looking compass ribbon on the top section there of my screen, and you would have seen some of the clients, such as Luna Client, for example, have a compass ribbon inside the game. And if you guys are looking for a compass ribbon type mod, I would recommend you guys get this compass ribbon mod for version 1.18.1. It is really cool, and you can actually go ahead and customize it. So let me go back into the mod section, click on Chronos Compass Ribbon, click on the configure button here. And as you guys can see, these are all of the options I can choose. I can make the ribbon width much wider or smaller, for example, and I can change the range as well, so we can actually have 360 degrees, or we can have something smaller like 180 degrees, for example. I can also change the FOV highlight to black or white, and I can change the text color on the Chronos Compass Ribbon. So at the moment it was set to orange and white, so let's change that to red and white and take a look at how that looks. So as you guys can see, we have a red and white type color there, where the north, east, south and west would be in red, and all of the other directions are going to be in white. Let me go back into the configure section here, and let's actually make the ribbon range much wider, as you guys can see. So we can now actually go ahead and see more information on the Chronos Compass Ribbon on the top over there. So it is a really nice mod. I would recommend that you guys get this Chronos Compass Ribbon. I also do use this mod alongside the Chron HUD mod in my best PvP mod pack. So if you guys are looking for a mod pack that includes these HUD related mods, then definitely do check out the best PvP mod pack. It will include the Keystrokes mod, the Cron HUD, and obviously the Chronos Compass mod as well. So if you guys are looking for a Compass Ribbon mod, then definitely get the Chronos Compass Ribbon mod for version 1.18.1. The final mod I would recommend you guys check out is another interesting mod, and this is called Boat HUD. And as you guys can see from the description, it says this mod adds a racing style HUD configurable for riding a boat and is designed mostly for racing boats on ice, which is a really nice feature. It does actually only work when you are in a boat. As you guys can see on the bottom there, I do have a nice, cool looking boat style HUD there. So when you guys are on a boat, you can see this cool looking HUD, and it actually tells you your speed that you are going. It really adds some nice features in your game, and the good thing is that it only works in the boat, so you don't have to worry about it when you are on land. So if you guys are looking for a nice HUD related mod when you are using a boat in your survival world, for example, then I would recommend that you guys get the Boat HUD mod for Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.1. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, and hopefully you guys will enjoy all of these Fabric HUD mods on version 1.18.1. Do let me know in the comment section below which one of these Fabric HUD mods on 1.18.1 are you guys going to use. If you like the video, please also do give us a like, and please also do subscribe to this channel to help support it, help it grow, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.